Hello, my name is Nitasha, and I'm doing my project on Shanti. Shanti, we know the best shirt for you, with best quality and the best material. We know that it should be lightweight, breathable, flexible, and look good. With that in mind, we know the requirements we have to meet. We're also competing against Bangladesh, so it needs to be under $50,000, and it also has to be lightweight, flexible, look good, and be breathable. With that in mind, we have to consider the chemical and physical properties. Chemical properties such as oxidation and hydrolysis, hard word to say. And it reacts with water, and that means it reacts with water. So if Shanti is sweating, we don't want his shirt to dissolve. Also, oxidation, meaning his shirt will be able to react with oxygen in the air. Physical properties such as elasticity. We know that he's doing strong activities. That means his shirt needs to be flexible and move with his muscles. We also know that his physical properties of interest is flexibility. That is our main focus for Shanti's shirt. Material categories. All four of these materials are something we could consider making Shanti's shirt out of. It could be metal, polymer, wood, or ceramics. We know that his first priority is tensile strength and elasticity, which on the chart is both very low. And then second priority is melting and hardness. With that in mind, we also can tell, because they're both very low, polymer and wood fibers are both very low, that they have the most in common. With that in mind, we know that tensile strength and elasticity are the best or most suitable for Shanti's shirt. That means his shirt will be breathable, and also will mean it will be elastic, which means it will be very suitable for the type of activities he's doing. So specifically, we chose polymer out of the four categories because it contains anything plastic. It's a protein like hair and nails, and also it has it's considered DNA, silly putty, and even rubber. Also, polymer consists of polyester, and that's what we decided to make his shirt out of. Polyester is durable, resistant to most chemicals, and also stretches and shrinks. Polyester is also hydrophobic, meaning molecules non-polar and repel from water. With that in mind, hydrophobic is good for nature because it's good for clothing material, used for insulation, manufacturing hollow fibers, and quick drying. This is what polyester looks like, and it also can retain shape and even is washable and dryable. We know that polyester is a covalent bonding. That means it also consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Our main focus again is elasticity, so we'll focus on the elasticity of polymers. And the bonds in the chemical formula for polyester are very long, so we broke it down. First, we're focusing on elasticity. So that means elasticity is all bunched up and we want it to be able to stretch. So the first image over here is elasticity of polyester, all very intense. Then later we stretch out the polyester and it looks like this. These are the electron clouds and these are the atoms. The electron clouds and the atoms are really bunched up here, but now are really spread out here. Then we look at the polyester formula, which is very long, so we filled an N, which means it's like repeats itself multiple times, because otherwise this formula would be very long. And then N means it will repeat itself, and the formula contains carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. If we look at the Lewison structure, dot structure, we notice that carbon and nitrogen repeat itself multiple times. We also know that polyester is a very large, broad topic, so we had to pinpoint one polyester specifically, and that's polyonitrile. And polyonitrile contains nitrogen. Polyonitrile contains monomers. And monomers are a molecule that bonds chemically with other molecules to form a polymer. So that's why this is a polymer. Next, or in conclusion, we know that Shaun t-shirt should be flexible, lightweight, breathable, and look good. And that's our main focus, and that's why we chose polyester, which is a polymer. Thank you. Did you see that? And that wasn't like that bad.
I just hope that like at one point I straightened my leg. I hope my knee didn't come into it.
Oh. Oh my goodness! Did you see that? That was.
It was very good. Does it tell you how many minutes it is?
I hope it's 5 minutes.
I know. I couldn't tell.